Department. Government of Sindh Muhammad Saleem Khan has said that freedom is a blessing, and it is the need of the hour to apprise the youth about the importance of freedom and patriotism. He expressed these views while addressing on Pakistan Day event, organized by NCR-CET College. Director NCR Ghulam Mahmood and Editor-in-Chief of National Courier Aneel Ahmed Usmani were also present on the occasion. The Director General Public Relations further said that the nations who do not have their own independent homeland are being subjected to oppression. We should thank that our ancestors dreamt of an independent homeland for the Muslims of the subcontinent and made it a reality, he added. He said that the day of March 23, 1940 is also important in our history because Pakistan was formed within a short span of just 7 years of the adoption of the Resolution of Pakistan, which was the result of the dynamic leadership of the father of the nation, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He further said that today, the students have expressed their commitment through their speeches and songs with great enthusiasm, that they will work for the development and prosperity of their motherland, which is a very welcome thing. Director General Public Relations further said that 20 years ago, competitions for speeches and songs were held regularly in colleges and universities, but now they have clearly decreased. We should pay attention to this, as such extracurricular activities are just as important as curricular activities and help in the physical development of children, he opined. Director General Public Relations distributed prizes amongst successful students in the quiz competition. NCR-CET Director Ghulam Mahmood presented him the shield of his institution. The national flag was also hoisted on the occasion.